Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how you can track your current activity on your Instagram account. Open your Instagram application on your phone and then you just need to sign and log in with your account. The next thing you need to do is just go visit your profile by just tap into this section. Now tap into these three straight lines and they could be giving you an options of your activity on the second row. Tap on it. So in this section you will get a lot of options that you can track about the content that you like currently, or even you also get the comments or track when post you comment, and you can also get the tag and so on and so on. You can also get the recently deleted photo or content that you just delete from your account here, and you can also get the archive content that you did back then. You can also get the past reels and highlights status of your account. If you're scrolling all the way down, you also get an option to download your information, so you can just go click it to download everything about your account activity. So basically that is the way how you can track your current activity. If you miss some content, make sure if you find the favorite content, just tap into the likes so that you can visit them into this site. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and please don't forget to turn on the notification sections for upcoming tutorial.